it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're gonna do a little snip with me today. I have been so loving getting Scentbird again. It is helping me not blow my budget. We're gonna talk about two fragrances from the same house today. I did pick up two House of Brandt fragrances, so if you want to hear more about them and sniff with me, make sure you click that subscribe button. You will not regret it. I will ramble. All right, let's go. Our family cabin and go fishing, so I'm not dressed up today, but I'm still gonna put on some fragrance, okay? I wanna make sure the fish think I smell good. So, sorry, I've had 2 cups of coffee. I'm feeling kind of crazy. I have tried something from the House of Brandt in the past. I believe I purchased a sample from like Etsy or one of those spots, and I cannot for the life of me remember what it was, but I remember I didn't love it. And I do love sniffing niche, but sometimes the real unique niche fragrances are just too much for me to wear and live in, especially in my very average Joe life. So I do think there's a chance some of these will not be for me. First up, we have House of Brandt Boys Day Santal. I am sure I'm butchering that. I definitely don't speak French. There is a lot of sandalwood in here, and I do love a good sandalwood fragrance, but if it's too close to Santal 33, that is straight up dill pickle, and I do not enjoy it. So in here, there are top notes of sandalwood, cardamom, mid, sandalwood, orris, and violet. Like now I'm getting a little bit nervous that
it's cool because look, it's
the
green.
chapstick is green. Did you smell it? What's it smell like?
I wear some.
In the base, we have more sandalwood, olibanum, vanilla, and cashmere wood. Like that part, I'm like, ooh, maybe this will be for me. Accords are woody, warm, spicy, powdery, amber, aromatic, balsamic, vanilla. Like that all sounds great. Let's get to sniffing. Okay, here we go. Oh. Opening blast, definitely inspired by Santal 33. It's like it to a T, honestly. Now as it's drying down, I am getting something more aromatic and herbal than I remember smelling in Santal 33. The dill pickle is fading back much quicker than Santal 33 for my nose. I'm gonna give it a second. It is very unisex, but to me and my style, do find this leaning masculine. Like I feel like I would appreciate it on my husband, but not feel like myself at all wearing it on me. There is a really nice smooth feeling to this fragrance. That's probably the Cashmerian. I do like that. This is really nice and smooth. I do think those base notes are really helping this. There is something so fresh in here that it's almost giving me like a little bit of minty vibes. Hold on. Ignore that fact. That is probably the chapstick my daughter just put on me. This is another fragrance that to me, I would rather have a candle of it in my home than necessarily walk around the planet smelling like this. It's just not my vibe. But the dry down actually is really pretty. Very unisex, but it is so smooth in the base that vanilla is coming forward a little bit. I would be curious to try this on my skin. Maybe on skin it will kind of warm up and that vanilla will play in the air even more because I like the freshness. I like the aromatic vibe I'm getting in here. The opening blast was like, oh, not my favorite, but this deep dry down is really smooth in a very beautiful way. I'm curious to play with this one on the skin. Have you guys tried Brandt Boys Day Santal? If so, what is the wear like on you? Please let me know down below. The next one seems like it will be much more my type of fragrance, especially this time of year. But this is House of Brandt Guava Sorbet, which sounds lovely and yummy. In here we have top notes of guava, passion fruit, grapefruit, bergamot, and mandarin, so I'm getting fresh and bright vibes. In the mid, guava, sugar, osmanthus, and jasmine. In the base, another mixture of vanilla, musk, amber, and sandalwood, which is always a good base combination. Bright, juicy, happy in the opening. It's like sunshine and candy, which I love both. This is truly like summer perfection in that opening. It truly is so bright and so happy. Sometimes guava can go too bitter, and the same with grapefruit, but these are really nice in the opening. They're just bright and juicy. I don't get that bitter bite from the guava and grapefruit like some other fragrances that I've smelled with those. Also, sometimes grapefruit can go masculine to my nose, but this one, so far has not done that at all. I'm sure the right man could wear this. Like if you were a man out living his life and you live in Miami, like this would work for you. It really tones down in that mid and dry down. I mean, the beginning is super sunshine, super fruity, and it's really turning into a softer fragrance. The sugar in here is so nice because I cannot do overly sweet anymore. I used to be the most gourmand girl in the world. I wanted to smell like a bag of sugar, but I can't do it anymore. It truly makes me feel nauseous if something is too sweet. This is the perfect amount of sweetness. I do think the guava being in the mid, mixing with that sugar is doing something really lovely. It is just cutting that sugar so nicely. It is not in your face floral. If you don't like smelling like a flower bouquet, like you won't. They're just playing in here beautifully. I feel like kind of elevating the fragrance to keep it going just from pure juicy body spray to beautiful perfume. It is a higher price tag, this house. So if it smelled just like your typical juicy body spray, I'm not gonna lie, I would be disappointed because it's not cheap. This one, I could see true niche lovers being like, not for me, because it is very likable. It is playful, flirty, feminine. No, it's not groundbreaking and ultra unique, but that's my kind of niche. I need it to still be likable, wearable, friendly, approachable. This is the type of niche that works in my everyday life. Like, I really like this one, actually more than I expected. I can't wait to wear this summer. Guava Sorbet is totally for me. I'm kind of obsessed with this. I hope you guys enjoyed trying out the House of Brandt with me. Have you picked up any of their fragrances? If so, let us know down below. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Mwah! I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.